If you've got a refurbished iPhone, you're wondering how to unlock it. In this video, we will explain the refurbished iPhone and provide a solution to unlock it. Let's get started. In the first part, we will explain what refurbished iPhone is and whether can it be unlocked. A refurbished phone is defined as an existing device that has been repaired, cleaned, and restored back into like new condition. If you have a refurbished iPhone, you can definitely unlock it. In fact, the process of unlocking a refurbished iPhone is no different than unlocking a brand new iPhone. So in the first tip, you can choose to restore refurbished iPhone with iTunes. Power off your iPhone. Keep holding the side button and volume up button until you see the recovery mode screen. Then, connect your iPhone to PC or Mac via a USB or USB-C cable. iTunes or Finder will pop up, and click to restore your iPhone. The next tip will show you unlock refurbished iPhone when it is locked. Download and run any unlock on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone via a USB cable. Select Unlock Screen Passcode and click Start Now. Next, put your iPhone into recovery mode and click to download firmware. When the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now. After the screen passcode is removed, set up your iPhone and done. In the last part, we will give you some suggestions before buying a refurbished iPhone. Before you buy a refurbished iPhone, make sure you check it out from different angles. Here are some things you should look into before you make the deal. First, always buy from a reputable seller. When buying a refurbished iPhone, make sure you get it from a reliable seller with a good reputation and a history of providing high-quality products. Second, understand the grading system. Refurbished iPhones are usually graded based on their condition, with grades ranging from A, excellent condition, to C, fair condition. It's important to understand the grading system and what you can expect from the device you're buying. Third, warranty and return policy. Before making a purchase, make sure to check that the seller offers a warranty and return policy and that it's clear and easy to understand. Fourth, make sure the device isn't stolen. If an iPhone is associated with someone else's Apple ID, you won't be able to use iCloud services due to the Apple iCloud activation lock. However, you can always check if an iPhone is stolen before you buy it. Fifth, check carrier compatibility. It's important to make sure that the refurbished iPhone you're buying is compatible with your carrier. Last, check battery health. Go to Settings, Battery Health. A battery health close to 100% is considered decent. That's all. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.